Hi, my viewers. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I came up with Friday vlog making of chimney biryani and etc. And the climate is very good outside. So let's start preparing biryani. For that, I took 1 kilo chimney prawns cleaned, and I am adding the masala mix. This is coriander, 1 tablespoon coriander, turmeric, and red chili. This is Kashmiri. I am adding both Kashmiri and normal chili powder, and salt according to your taste. After that, this is original red chili powder, and I am adding little vinegar. It's according to your taste. Then you can mix with your hand. Let it rest for half an hour. Okay, fine. At this time you can prepare the masala for the rice, chamin masala. So that I have added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 6 medium size onion cut into thin pieces. So we'll add that. According to your quantity you can increase or decrease. Okay, so I have added 6 medium size onion. Okay, soon after adding this onion we can add our salt according to our taste and mix it well. Okay, it will help to cook the onion very fast. Okay, our masala is getting ready, so we need to fry the prawns next, and we need to make the rice. I am making the rice in the cooker. Okay, and we need to fry the onion separate. 1 onion I am taking for the fry. Okay, after adding this onion we need to add the tomatoes, green chili paste, and this yogurt, and ginger garlic paste and curry leaves. This all we need to add later by later. Okay, now it's time to fry the prawns. So I am frying the prawns now. Let it fry for some time. For making prawns fry, I'm just used coconut oil. Okay, for everything I used coconut oil, which is prepared in our home itself. Okay, so it gives a very flavor and a very something special taste. Okay, so coconut oil is better for making all these things. And our onion is getting ready. It's like golden color is coming, like you can see now. So at this moment we can add the tomatoes. We can just cut and add it, and I'm adding the tomatoes here, and I have taken 6 small size tomatoes, and you can increase or decrease your quantity according to your size of the tomato. Okay, and after adding the tomato you can mix it well, and the tomato need to cook well. After the tomatoes are cooked, then only we are adding the ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, and other things. Okay, so tomato need to cook well, and we need to mix it well. It take time to prepare the masala. For rice is easy. Now the prawns are getting ready. It will take few more minutes. Meanwhile we can prepare our rice ready. Okay, so I am taking 3 cups of basmati rice here, and today is Friday, so need to prepare everything very fast. Lunchtime all will come here, so I am taking 3 cups of basmati rice, and after washing only I am just soaking, then the flavor won't go. Okay, if you are not washing now and soaking first, then what will happen, the aroma or the flavors won't be there while cooking the rice. So don't miss this step. Okay, first wash the rice and then you can soak it. Okay, after soaking don't wash it. Okay, and now it's time to add our ginger garlic paste and coriander leaves and green chili paste. I'm adding 3 of them. And curry leaves too, I'm adding 4 of them, and we need to mix it well, and it need to cook for some time. The ginger garlic paste should be cooked very well, so we need to mix and cook it for some time. And for the preparation of rice we need water. So water measurement I will tell you. Okay, total 3 cups of rice I have taken, right? So I need 6 cups of water. For 1 cup of rice I need 2 cups of water, like that. So measurement should be correct and perfect. So measurement is very important, so you need to measure before preparing the rice. Okay, and now it's time to cook the rice. I have added the coconut oil to the cooker, I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then I have added half onion and raisins, cashew, cloves, cinnamon stick, etc. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of Milma ghee or any other ghee you can use here. Okay, then just mix it well. And our masala is getting ready here. It will take few more minutes. Now I am adding 6 cups of water to the cooker. After adding the water, we should wait for some time. The water should boil very well and the bubbles should come from the water. Then only we can add the rice. Okay, and by side I am frying this onion and raisins, cashew also. And to the masala mix I am adding half tablespoon of garam masala. Only the garam masala I am adding here. Rest masala is there in the prawns. And also I am adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt at this moment. And I like the yogurt taste very well, so I have added little more. So you can add according to your taste, and now you can check the taste whether you need more salt or not. And now you can see the bubbles are coming from the water. At this moment you can add the salt. Only at this moment we are adding the salt. Okay, and after adding the salt, soon after that we are adding the dried rice to the cooker and just mix it and close the cooker and make it low flame, and 1 whistle we need. Okay, or make it in a very low flame. And in our masala mix it's time to add the fried prawns. Okay, and we can add it now and just cook for few minutes, and after that we can off the flame. Then almost done. Okay, and I need to prepare a side dish like a coconut chutney. For that I need a small chili is there in our place, so it's also called bird's eye chili, you can see. And I'm taking this chili and preparing the coconut chutney. I'm not showing this video to this part because I have no time here, so I just taking. Our masala is ready here and the rice also cooked now. You can off both of the flame. And for preparing the coconut chamandi, I have taken shallots, garlic, ginger, red chili, curry leaves and 1 cup of coconut, and just added vinegar, salt. That's it. And now I am going again to our kitchen side to pluck the culantro leaves. You know culantro leaves, it's also called coriander leaves in some places. It's there in our place. It gives good aroma or flavor to our dish. After cooking the food also you can add this. This is the leaves, and it's very something different smell you can get from the dish. And I am adding this to our biryani, and it's also good to ghee rice. It gives very good smell. And our rice is ready here, cooked in a correct way. And our prawns masala mix is also ready here, and it's time to dum our biryani. And by side onion fry, coriander, raisins, cashew, all is set. And I have taken half lemon with a pinch of turmeric. Now I am adding ghee rice to top of our masala mix, and I am doing here 2 layers. Okay, you can increase according to your quantity. I am just doing 2 layers. And after adding the rice I am just pouring lemon turmeric water, and just putting garnishing with fried onion, cashew, raisins, etc. And culantro leaves also you can add instead of coriander leaves. If coriander leaves, that's fine, both gives nice flavor. And after that a pinch of garam masala I am adding. Okay, and again I am putting the rice to the masala, and the same procedure is going on. Just put the rice everywhere and make it in a same level, and you can put rest of the rice top of it. In our place we are mixing the dum biryani. After dum we are mixing the biryani. In some places ghee rice separate and masala they are eating like that. Here I am mixing. Okay, and now I am pouring the lemon turmeric water. and garnish with fried onion, raisins, colander leaves, etc., etc. And a pinch of garam masala also added. And after that, finally we are adding half tablespoon of Milma ghee or any other ghee you can add it, and just close it and put in a very low flame and just almost try this biryani, okay? And this is one of the easiest recipe I have taken here, so please all of you must try at your home and just say me feedback, okay? I'm keeping biryani for them. I just closed it, and our prawns biryani is ready now. It's time to serve. Before that, I need to stir from bottom to top. Let the masala mix everywhere. And all of you try this at your home. It's very easy, simple recipe. Only few items I have taken here. Outside climate is very good. It's complete rainy day, so I thought of making a video like preparing the biryani and present like a Friday vlog, something like that. Now my jobs are almost done. Now I am having biryani and enjoying the rain. And please do watch all my videos and keep supporting, and I wish you all very great day. Bye bye.